Hello everyone! Divide the hair into 4 portions. Take the upper section and then add a decorative ribbon to it. Using the ribbon as one of the sections, include it into the braid. Loosen the strands of the braid using your finger. Tie a rubber band to it and add it into the ponytail. Clip the rest of it up and once more use the ribbon as one of the sections and braid the hair. Wrap it around, lift it up and then use bobby pins to fasten it in place. Tie a bow once you are done. For our next hairdo, start off by combing the hair into place. Take the front section of the hair and then braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp. In this case, it'll be from the scalp that is closer to the face. That is the hair that is closer to the face. Once you are done with the sections, normally braid the hair until you reach the bottom. Once you reach the bottom, join these 2 braids at the back and then add a decorative bow to it. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 3 portions, make 3 ponytails out of it. At the top, add a ribbon with a bow. Using the sections of the ribbon, include it into the braid. Once you are done with this, make a braid at the bottom. Roll this braid upwards and then add a bow. Roll up the ribbon and tie it in the middle to make this bow shape. Now for our next hairdo, take a section from the top, add a rubber band to it and braid the hair. Right underneath it, make another section. Repeat this until you reach the bottom. Using your fingers, loosen some strands of the hair. Do this until you reach the bottom. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Add some decorative ribbons or some decorative beads, include it into the braid as a section and then braid the hair. Make 2 braids out of it. For our next hairdo, take a section of the top, add a bow with a ribbon to it. Divide this into 2 portions and then using the ribbon as one of the sections, braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp into this braid. This is a somewhat French braid. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 2 portions, braid one of the sides, roll the braids upwards and then make a bow shape out of it. Next, add multiple rubber bands at the top. At the back, take a section of the hair and tie a ponytail. Add some hair twine and then twist the hair along it. Make a bun shape out of it and once you are done, add a rubber band and some bobby pins and adjust it accordingly. Adjust the flowers in the place that you want them to be. For either side, include the side rubber bands and make a normal braid out of it. Thank you for watching.